Hi students, welcome to my YouTube channel NCRT Mitra. So in previous day we already started a new chapter, that is the earthquake. In this chapter we already discussed some topics, that is the definition of the earthquake. And then we discussed the definitions and given by the different scientists or different geographers. Then focus on epicenter of the earthquake, at how to measure the earthquake. So we and the instrument, what are the instrument used for measuring the earthquake. Okay, so this thing and location we already discussed some of the scales, so that is the earthquake intensity scale. There we discussed already, there is a Richter scale. Okay, and also discussed about the you can say the Mercalli scale. Okay, so this we already discussed. So today we are going to discuss the another topic, new topic, that is the main causes of the earthquake. Means here we are going to discuss the what are the main causes of the earthquake. Okay, perhaps you can see in my background, that's if the two plates you can see the move from each other. Okay, so that time one zone is created or one zone is you can see the generator, that is known as the focus area. Above the focus area, that is you can know, that is the epicenter. Okay, epicenter. So this thing can be happen in that area. Okay, so these are the main causes of the earthquake. Then what are the causes if you want to discuss the broadly, so that time you can say the fault zone. Okay, fault zone can be developed any place of the earth. So these are the main causes. Second causes you can see the plate tectonic is the another causes. Third causes perhaps you can see, that is the volcanic activity. And fourth cause, that is the man induced earthquake, means the some of the earthquake we can also generate, or the human beings are responsible for developing such type of earthquake. Okay, previously we already discussed the vibration of the earth. It may be the human made or the natural way, that is called the earthquake. So human also sometimes plays a role, or you can say that sometimes plays a adverse role for creating, for developing the earthquake on the earth surface. So that's why it is too much important to know these are the factors or the causes. First time you can say, that is the fault. Okay, fault can be developed with the, you can say the fault zone. Fault can be developed in the any places of the earth, mainly in the mountain area. Okay, if you can see in my background, that is the different type of the fault, that is the reverse fault, normal fault, and the strike slip fault. So when there is this type of fault occurs, or fault develop in the earth surface, so that time there is a shaking of the earth, so that causes the earthquake on the earth surface. Perhaps you can see over here, you can see easily. Okay, easily this method reverse fault, normal fault, and the strike slip fault. Okay, so these are the area where we can get it. Okay, where we can make it. Okay, so these are the area. Perhaps you can see in this way, the reverse fault means the when the one portion is go up. Okay, so that time it is a reverse. Normal fault, another portion go down, and then normal portion is and another portion in the same place. And reverse place when the strike slip fault means when the side by side movement of the left side by side. Okay, so these are the main causes. Due to this fact, you can see the roads, railways, and the buildings, whatever we have, that can be destructed by the earthquake. Okay, second thing causes, you can say that there are perhaps you can say there are three types of plate movements. Actually, according to the plate tectonic theory, our earth surface is divided into, you can say that our number of plates. There are 20 major plates, 7 major plates and 20 minor plates. Okay, these plates are always moving on the astronosphere. Perhaps you studied in the interior part of the earth. We already discussed a lot of things regarding this chapter. So there you can say that some plates are sometime it is coming together. So that time it is called the convergence. Due to convergence, you can say that you can feel also the earthquake. Sometimes the plates are divert from each other. That can be seen in the mid-Atlantic Sea. Due to this fact, here you can see the divergence occurs. Okay, and earthquake can be seen on that. And sometimes the plates are moving in the transform. So transform in the, you can say the moving on the side by side. So that time it is called the transform. Okay, so these are the three plate movements. Due to this fact, we can feel, you can say, the earthquake. Mainly this area already filled. We already, the area of the earthquake we already discussed. There you can see, we already discussed, there's the three things area, means the three area there, the this occur this type of plate movements are going on. If you movement, if you see the location of the Atlantic Pacific Ocean, around the surround the Pacific Ocean, there is a zone, means the two plates are, you can see, the converging. So there is a number of mountain volcanic activity you can find over there. So that's why this area is very earthquake prone area. If you take example of the, you can say, the Japan. Okay, so if you see the Japan, so they every day they feel, you can see, the earthquake, okay, in Japan. So this thing we have to understand. Then you can see the divergent, this type of plate movement you can see in the Pacific, in the Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean, in the mid-oceanic ridge, you can see the two plates. One plates, European and African plate, African and North and South American plate. These are divert from each other. That's why it is called the divergent plate boundary. Then the next one, perhaps you can see, that is the convergent, transform. Transform is when two plates are moving side by side. If you look at the California or the western side of the, you can say, the North America, so that time this plate movement can be seen over. So these are the causes, second causes of the earthquake on the earth surface. Second thing, the volcanic causes. Sometimes you can know two plates when this merge and some crack can be developed, and from the crack you can say the what can be happen, the magma comes out, and when this magma comes out, that's with violently, with violent, or we can say violently, so that time the earthquake occurs. Volcanic eruption produce the earthquake, and earthquakes may produce and accompany and frequently follow the volcanic eruption. They are caused by the sudden displacement of lava within or the beneath of the earth. So sometimes it can come. So that's the, so volcano in the plate earthquake can be a long period earthquake. So it can be the sudden, you can see the earthquake, and you can see the long period continuously. So when there is a plate movement, so there will be the effect will be the volcanic eruption, and in volcanic, in the lava, whenever comes it violently, so that time this can be happen. Okay, and when violently, when this, you can see the lava mixed with the water, so water, you can see the create water transform into or form a we can say the steam, and this steam has a huge power, okay, to blast, and that time also the earthquake can be occurs. Okay, so these are the volcanic causes, perhaps you can see as per your book. Okay, then come to the, perhaps you can see the human, okay, human induced earthquake. So we already practice a number of things, or we already try to reshape our earth surface, perhaps in the name of the construction of the dam, in the construction of the, you can say, the subway, okay, in the construction, in the name of the construction, you can see the mine. Sometimes we can also perform the mining. Okay, so due to this extraction of the, you can say, the, we also extract a lot of water from the, you can say, the interior part of the earth. So due to this all activities are performed by the human beings, and when we perform these activities, so sometimes you can say that there is an imbalance of the power on the earth surface. So if we construct a dam, so that time you can see that suddenly a huge pressure can be seen over there, and sometimes the this dam can be also crack, and the develop this can be destroyed. So that is also create a huge problem. Okay, that is also create a earthquake. Sometimes we also produce something, that is the constructional work, that is the subway or the underway. So that time that suddenly you can say the earthquake can be present. Sometimes we can also perform the mining. Perhaps you can see this can be happen. If you see the so these are the main causes: construction of the dam, construction of the roadways, railways, or the subways or underways. Okay, and the mining. Due to this fact, we also create some, or you can see the granite mining. So that time we can also, for the occurring the for the, you can see the taking out the minerals. So that time it can be earthquake can be happen. Okay, some of the diagram I have given, that is the injection of the water in interior part of that, or extraction of the water. So that also create the, you can see the balance. Okay, pressure, chemical change, everything can be happen, and that can be, as a result, that the earthquake can be occur. Okay, if you see these diagrams, so perhaps you can see in my background I have already shown there's a man-made earthquake around the world. So man-made earthquake, perhaps you can see the Hoover Dam. Hoover Dam also create the man-made earthquake. Okay, then 5.6 Oklahoma, it is the place of the 2011. 1965, that is the Quena. Okay, due to the mining. Okay, then Jiping-su, that is in China. Okay, 2008 earthquake occurred due to the man-made earthquake. Then Gazli in 1984. Okay, then Newcastle in Australia. Perhaps you can see 1989. So these are the area where the we are the human being are responsible for the developing of the earthquake. Okay, so this much for today. Thank you for watching this video.